Morning, Canelo. What's the matter? The puppy learning to walk. Come in there, come in there.
And that's what happens. They're gonna be crying when they get separated. We're used to it together. But that's part of having a puppy. The new owners, they have to take care of the puppy and comfort him.
Hey, Canelo, over here.
Canelo.
Canelo.